Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Chrysler Voyager LXi. You can see here with the key fob, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This has a brand new rear entry manual conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Check it, I pinch here and I flip there. Super simple to do, and this is a spring assisted ramp. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries, so more room for a bigger chair. If someone parks next to you in a side entry, you cannot get out of your van. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, say even snow drifts this time of year, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the reasons, advantages to the rear entry van itself. 34-inch ride ramp, 800-pound weight capacity, got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. It does taper down to about 32 inches here width where the ramp sets. It's got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher, and these have about a foot more length in the channel than both the Dodge and the Toyota. So if you're looking to haul 2 chairs, you want that extra length, this Chrysler might be the answer for you. It's got the upgraded Q-string tie-downs at no additional charge to you. We can even put a third row seat that'll flip up and down in here. If that's an option, you could hold 6 people plus a wheelchair. We can put flip base seats that flip up on their sides in there. So let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. It's got your cup holders in the back. You can even do the tie downs up here. They've got spots what those little pockets are for. Got all your Q-string tie down and warranty instructions there. Got a nice center console. Cup holders for the passengers in the rear. No cracks. Oh, my detail guy hit that again. He didn't get that cleaned out. He must have missed a spot. We'll get that cleaned out. Dash, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plug-ins for all your electronics, and got your power doors up there as well, so in case you want to shut all those, you shut them down and you're ready to roll. When you get everybody secure, come back out, reverse the process. Again, one finger, check it out. Super simple to do. Clamp it back down and you are on your way. It's got the remote there. You can do the rear door. Quick walk around to the van. It's got the tinted windows in the rear. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. It's got alloy wheels. All the tires are about 7 to 8 30-seconds, so they're not brand new. They still have some tread left on them. Still got a little bit of life left on them. Let's do the walk around here. Nice clean van. I'm not going to sit here and say it's perfect, but it's very well taken care of. I am the owner. I buy every single one. I hand select every single one of our vehicles. I try to buy nice, clean stuff. I'm buying from your perspective. This is my money. This is my investment. I don't want salvage titles. I don't want flood damage. I don't want airbags or frame damage. I want nice, clean vehicles, and we always show you the Carfax as well. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video, not just a picture, a video of the VIN number. And why I say that, had someone talking to me a couple weeks ago, said that they saw one of my vans on Facebook Marketplace for $8,200. The gentleman even produced a title, which you can now with technology, a fake title, of course. A little touch-up paint right there. Produced a fake title, had some story about how he loved helping old people, selling that van for $8,200. Guess what? That van was on my website for $45,000. He was trying to scam somebody. So if you said to him, hey, I want you to give me a video of that VIN number, he could not have done it because the van was not in his possession. He just pulled pictures off my site somewhere, using them on his Facebook to try and scam somebody. Get you a video of that VIN number. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every one of our vehicles, you can see one owner, no accidents or damage, last owned in nice salt rust free New Mexico as a rental vehicle. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rental vehicles. I would agree if it's a sports car, but I don't think too many people say, honey, grab the kids, we're going to rent a minivan and go race it. It means highway miles, and that's a good thing on a vehicle. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation and reviews. Look at us on eBay, 1,494 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback that's 100% I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. You can find us here on Google. We've been in business 12 years. You can see our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I talk to people all the time, and I hear horror stories about buying from private individuals, from Facebook or Craigslist. They bought a vehicle that was actually stolen vehicle, or they buy a vehicle they can't get a title for, or they buy from one of these dealers. We get 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews up here instead of the 5 to 4.8 like we have. They end up getting a van with flood damage, salvage title, a bunch of major issues they didn't know about. So you know, if you want the 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, go ahead and call them. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star customer service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Another great feature about this van, it's got the remote start. You hit the button there twice, it'll beep at you. The van will fire up. So if you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the summertime, or you want to come out to nice defrosted windows this time of year, it's a nice heated up van that gives you that option. Radio works. You got the power driver's seat here, works great. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors on this cream-colored leather here. And if you ever want to use this van for non-emergency medical transport, you can turn the doors off, power doors off. They become manual sliding doors. They open and shut quickly without risking any damage. So that touch of a button, and I know you've already seen back here, just giving you a little different perspective. Nice clean van. There's your rear air controls. And another feature I like about this van, it's got the push button start. So if your key is in your pocket or maybe your purse, you just come in, you don't have to dig it out. You put your foot on the brake, push the button there, you're ready to roll. We do have one key if you want additional keys made. We can get those made on your dime. You can see there's no dummy lights on, there's no check engine light, no airbag lights. We'll put another key in that battery. It looks like the fob went low, so we'll put a key in that. 60,739 miles. We've got our backup camera, nice big screen there. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've checked all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you those moving here. Checked all the power locks, the heat, air, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Get this one over here. Mirror over there. I checked all the fluid, replaced fluids as necessary. Tires, giving them a road test. My point is, we're very thorough in everything we do. I hope these videos show that. We do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or any kind of fluid leaks, no signs of water damage or rust, from being in a flood or being up north. That's the #1 mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it looks clean in pictures, or they assume because it's 2021, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood, and that's the most dangerous thing you can do. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual, I don't care if it's another dealer, but what I do want you to ask yourself is, do they show me their reputation online from thousands of reviews so I know I'm buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, never been in a flood, anything like that? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage front and back, so you know exactly what you're getting, so you can see there's no water damage, no bent up frame. You're getting a good solid van. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you buy a van that you can't get a title for, or you buy a van that's got frame damage from an accident or a flood? Well, if you can't register it, you can't drive it. You just bought a 4,000-pound paperweight. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things before you buy. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it. If they're asking thousands of dollars from you, tell them to put some effort into it. Second, demand a Carfax report, not some cheap knockoff. I spend thousands of dollars every month in Carfax reports, but again, I do that because I'm buying from your perspective. I am the owner. This is my investment. I want a good, clean van. And third, we touched on this earlier. Get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reviews. Make sure you're buying from a reputable person Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Do your due diligence. And finally, demand a warranty. Our vehicle comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. We stand behind our products. We make sure each one comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you're coming to drive this Voyager home. We've done our due diligence, made sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour in no time, good acceleration, strong engine, transmission shifts smoothly, steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, and it's got the cruise control set. Cruise works great. I do keep in mind we do have our 90-day complimentary warranty, but we do sell longer term bumper to bumper type factory warranties, good at any shop in the country. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way out to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fees, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and hidden fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but I do know in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video, to be 100% transparent with you. So I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake here coming down the ramp. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call or a text, just reach out to my personal cell here, 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number, or to get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back, or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. I think I might have mentioned this, but we do have one key for the van. We can get additional keys made on your dime. If that's something you choose to do, talk to us. We can get it done affordably for you. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase. I try to be as thorough as I possibly can. If you like, give us a like on YouTube, give us a thumbs up, that'd help us out. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming videos of our vehicles. And if you ever want to come in, we'd like to spend some time with you, but you have to. You must make an appointment. We're very busy every second of the day, but make that appointment, give us a call, give us a text. We'll get you taken care of. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this of every vehicle, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, all with no hidden fees, from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.